How to backup and restore Viber messages. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Viber application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, what you can do is tap on the More section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on the Settings option over here. As you tap on Settings, you'll be given different options. So just tap on Account option over here. As you do that, tap on Viber Backup option, and here you'll be able to see the option Restore and Backup Now. So tap on Backup Now. So in order to backup, you just need to tap on Auto Backup over here, where you can select either you want to backup the data daily, weekly, monthly, or just turn off the backup. Now I'm just going to select on daily, and then you can include the photos, you can include videos, and you can select the account for backup. Then tap on Backup Now, and after that you can tap on Restore, and you'll be able to backup and restore Viber messages over here in your device. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.